Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Rater. Today we have a box from Vite Ramen. Vite Ramen is a company here in the United States. You might have heard of them. They did a very successful Kickstarter campaign, raised a lot more money than they expected, and all to make a very healthy, very nutritious ramen come to life. That's what's in here. So let's crack this thing open and look inside. Alright, I don't know if that's the way you're normally supposed to open these boxes, but that's how it was opened. So, to start things off, we have their vegan mushroom variety. And here's 2 of them. As you can see, large looking pack, nothing on the back. These are not totally ready for prime time yet. They still need the back labeling and all that stuff done, but they are looking at within the next 3-4 months, and you'll be able to find them. Of course, they've got to fulfill everything for their Kickstarter people first. Yeah, this is gonna be rad. I'm really curious about reviewing these. And the next flavor in their trifecta of flavor is Soy Sauce Chicken. Another flavor. Soy Sauce Chicken sounds pretty good to me. These have, let's see what it says on the side. 25% daily value of all vitamins and minerals, 25 grams complete protein, balanced macronutrient content, no frying, no MSG, and no preservatives. Yeah, if you're doing the healthy thing, these definitely should fit the bill for you. And finally, the one that I'm most interested in, this is the garlic pork variety. That sounds super good. Yeah, but I guess the proof will be in the eating, and that's what I'm going to start doing this week, and I'm going to try all 3 of these and report back to you with what I find. Very cool. Well, thanks to Tim and Tom over at Vite Ramen for shooting these over. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.